you heading to Moldova and want to know what the food is like, this video is just for you. If you haven't, I would highly recommend you check out my Moldova video so that you have all the practical information about what to expect when you land in this gorgeous country. So check it out now before continuing with the video. Alright, so let's talk about food in Moldova. I have been really positively surprised about how much variety there is for food. My favorite so far has been the Palcinte, which is this bread stuffed with different things, cabbage, potatoes, cheese, etc. There are tons of veggies and they're really flavorsome. They're not just bland, you know. You can also try a lot of these pickles, and the best thing I found was that if you go to wineries or any places like villages, they have really nice little eco resorts that you can try food in, and it's really colorful, it's really traditional, flavorsome, and best of all, it's really cheap. And don't forget, you have to try compote. This is the local version of the drink. It's really good in summer especially. So if you come here, you cannot go without trying some compote. It's made with a lot of different fruits. There's good desserts as well. So overall, food in Moldova, a massive thumbs up. Eli Peli is one of the greatest spots for lunch in Chisinau, and I would definitely recommend trying the duck legs.
Everyone, my name is Valentine, and we introduce you with Moldovan food. This is Moldovan Palcinte with meat of pork and chicken. Here is Palcinte also, but a little bit different. It's fried Palcinte with cheese and onion, and here is this is more traditional Moldovan food, Mama Liga. This one is called Mama Liga. This one is cheese of sheep cheese. Here is eggs, sour cream, and here is garlic with oil. It's called moștei, and here is meat of pork. I hope you will like it.
So I'm gonna try some Moldovan food. This goes on the side. So this is polenta, and you just break it off a little bit, and then you take a little bit of meat. It's cheese, and then you just dip it in some oil. Wow, actually really goes well. I don't like polenta, but this is good. So
take more.
This is okay. More. All right.
Small, not so much.
Not so much here. This.
And sour cream. Sour cream.
Okay. Oh God, it's horrible for me. Wow. I think I prefer the garlic one. Yeah, and you obviously have to try it. So this is La Palcinte, by the way, and this is Palcinte. So it's like this fried bread, stuffed bread with different stuff in it. So let's see what that's like. I mean, you can see the ladies making here as well, so it's really, really fresh. I mean, it's kind of hard to eat on video, so I'll see you in a bit. Bye! What are you supposed to do with this? If you're looking for a nice brunch place, Creme de la Creme in Chisinau is just the right place for you. We're just looking for some comfort food. Oh, there's plenty of that here. Just come to Andy's Pizza. So a really good part of coming to all these wineries, especially the ones like, that are not so urban, is they have amazing restaurants where you can try great local food. So I've ordered quite a few things. I don't really know the names, but it's quite, veggie based, a lot of grilled veggies. There's quite a lot of options if you want to try more stuff, but I'm gonna finish all of this without wasting more time. I will see you guys in a little bit while I stuff myself with this great amount of yummy looking food. By the way, before I go, I love the decor on this place. It actually looks like pretty much like a village house. So it's a great introduction to that as well. So, if you are looking for a quick breakfast in Moldova, these guys come really handy. So these are they're also called Palcinte, and they're sort of like these filled pastries. You can go into any supermarket. There are these hole-in-the-wall type places throughout the city center, and they're really cheap, and they're really delicious, and they're quick to go. This is Guguta, a cake from the south, from the Gutuceni region. And it's named because it looks like the hat of a cartoon character. I bet you didn't know food in Moldova was this delicious. Do let me know in comments what you would like to try. Guys, this is BrownBoyTravels. Let me know what you think of the video in the comment section. If I've missed something, please let me know. Also, give me some suggestions about your country. I will see you in the next video. Until then, you have an amazing day ahead. Mwah.